First, we open the browser. After entering the browser, you go to the link I will show you. Once you go to the link, there is a Dolvant site at the top. You click on Dolvant and wait for it to download. After downloading, discard the program. After the program opens, we press Install and wait for the program to set up. The program setup can take between 10 to 15 minutes, depending on the speed of your computer. In accordance with our system, it will have its own configuration. A page like this will appear in front of us, where you can press Start to explore the other features of the program. In this video, I will only show you how to remove the vocal. On this page, we first need to log into your account or create a new one. You can use Google, Facebook, or your own email for this. I will use Google. Let's open the program after logging into your account. If the program is already open for you, you can open it from the taskbar below. Let's say New Project and quickly start a new program. By clicking on Import Media, we first select our video. After selecting our video, we take it to the Edit section. First, let me show you the presence of the vocal sound in our video.
Why I use a knife? Guns are too quick. You can't.
As you can see, there is a song in the background. To remove the vocals, right-click on the video. Select AI Vocal Remover from the top and wait for it to finish. Make sure you have an internet connection. Let's separate the audio from the video and test it first.
Do you want to know?
As you can see, the sound is separated from the song. Now let's move the vocal and test it.
Why I use a knife? Guns are too quick. You can't savor all the...
And as you can see, it completely removed the vocals. To export, we are converting the format to MP3. And export click. After the export is complete, we open the folder and test your audio file.
Do you want to know why I use a knife? Guns are too quick. You can't savor all the...
As you can see, the vocal has been completely isolated.